welcome back to my channel. This is Mary Ann. For today's video, we will be unboxing this parcel from UK. But before we get into this video, I would like to share to you also about how to get or how to apply driver's license in small province like Dipolog. But before we get into this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click notification bell so you will be notified on my next video. And if you finish already, then let's begin. My driver's license, I apply month of February after I get my student license. And yeah, 1 month after I get my student license, and then I process my driver's license. Okay, this week I've been to the LTO to ask my driver's license if they were there, but they said, I have to get early in the morning before 8 o'clock because only 50 slots a day to get your driver's license. So yes, I did that. I've been like twice going there because it's been a long queue. So and I just have lunch break to get there. So yeah, on Monday I get my driver's license. If you're planning to get your driver's license in Dipolog, you have to get there early before 8 o'clock in the morning because only 50 slots to cater every day. So be there at Monday to Friday. So yes guys, and good luck. And for now, let's proceed to unboxing parcel. So yes, before we open this box, I would like to say thank you so much for this. You know who you are. Let us keep as anonymous to the privacy of the subscribers. So thank you so much for this. I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful. Every time I open a parcel from subscriber, it's kind of like, oh my god, thank you so much guys. I'm so blessed. And this is one of the, exciting scene video that I make every time I unbox parcel. So yeah, thank you so much. And I think this is like 1 kilo, something like that, 1 kilo. So yeah, oh my god, it's hard to open. It's hard to open. Yeah, thank you so much, subscriber. Here we go. Wow. So, again, what is this? What is this? It's cute. What's in the bag? What is this? Oh wow! Well guys, Chinelas, oh my god, made in Italy. Wow, amazing. So this is the bag. Amazing, chinelas. George Blue. Yeah. Amazing guys, I love it. This is made in Italy. Wow, I love it. Ta-da! So I have the slipper. Oh, look at that guys. Oh my god, it's really thick. Oh my god, you hear that? Thank you so much. And my god, the L'Oreal again. My god, guys, L'Oreal. I like this one. I really like this L'Oreal because it's anti-wrinkles and hydrating cream, like, you know, when you are really exposed in the sun. This is good. I like that. They have two. Oh my god, this is what I like. I was thinking I wanna buy like this because, you know, my hair, it's when I go on the laundry I need to tie my hair, so this is good. It helps. Well, thank you. And I like the color. I like this. Makeup begun. Makeup begun. It's the white. Johnson's white. Wow, I love it. Thank you so much. And I have these things. Superstay lipstick. Yay! I got it. The Superstay lipstick. I had two. But this is not Superstay. It's still lipstick, guys. But Bond Girl. Yeah. It's lipstick. Wow, amazing. What is this? I don't know what is this, guys. Oh no. We will open that later. Ooh, sexy. Wow, amazing. And ta-da! Amazing. I love it. Wow. And ta-da! Yeah, amazing. I love it. And then oh jeez, oh my god, it's amazing. It did not crack, did not break. Oh jeez, amazing, did not crack, guys. See, look at that, still. Oh wow. And it's naughty. What is this? Naughty makers? Naughty makers. Yeah. And the eyebrow. It's makeup. You're so amazing. Yeah, thank you so much for this. I so appreciate it. Thank you so much. You know, every time I receive parcel like this, it's kind of like, oh my god, I love it. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and God bless you. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.